Okay, so today we're gonna see another block called glide number of second to X and Y position. Okay, so let's particular I created this default project, and I added instead of cat I added another character called Pico. So the way to do this, you go to library, go to fantasy category, and uses the Pico. Okay, and there is another one, Pico walking, but we'll get to that next. But let's use this Pico for now, or you can pick any sprite you like. Okay, now if you look at the motion category, okay, inside motion category there is a block called glide number of seconds to X and Y, and this particular block is under motion category and type of stack. So you can attach any block on this bottom and on the top, right? So you can stack one block on a top of another block, so that's why it's called stack. Okay, now this particular block basically it takes the argument of a number of second and X and Y position. So I'm going to, let's say, so if you have this sprite, you want to move from this point and to this point to this point with some kind of animation effect, a smooth effect. Okay, so I'm going to first take the position for my mouse pointer here, saying X equal to 142 and Y equal to 50. Okay, so you can see your X and Y position in the bottom right of my mouse pointer. So pick any X and Y position, right? So I'm going to say X equal to 139 and Y equal to 45. So X equal to 139 and Y equal to 45. Okay, and I'm going to just double click this block. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's, as you can see, instead of moving in one snap, it's basically gliding. Gliding means that it's smoothing the process of moving. Okay, so it's very smooth animation. Okay, so let's look at this by increasing number of seconds. So I'm going to say number of second is 5 seconds. So it will take 5 seconds for this sprite to move from here to here. Okay, but in a very smooth motion. So let's say I'm going to double click this glide block. See, now it's very smooth. Okay, it's going to take 5 seconds. Okay, and let's say let's count it just for practical. So I'm going to double click and I'm going to start counting the seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. Right, so it takes 5 seconds exactly to move from this point to this point. Okay, now remember this very important thing which is happening right now, that when it is gliding this sprite, it is pausing, is stopping all of the script in your script area. Okay, so be really careful with this when you use it. Okay, so yeah, it's very basic, and we will see in a future videos how to use this in your games and animation or artwork or any other example you can give. Okay, so yeah, and thanks for watching, and please give us a feedback what kind of video you want to see in the future, and see you in a future video. Thank you.